Hello my dreamers, what is up and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Aislinn and I am finally back with another video. And honestly, it's been a minute. Life has been hectic, things have been going on, and it's that time again where I have to move out of my condo. So today, as you can see by the title, I am taking you along to go and look at some more condos with me. It's gonna be like an apartment / condo hunting vlog. So if you guys want to watch that, make sure you stay tuned. And if you like this video and you like me, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on post notifications so you don't miss my videos, because Lord only knows when I'm gonna freaking post these days. Let's get right into the condo humping. Oh God. Condo shopping, condo hunting, whatever. Let's go. Let's see how freaking expensive these condos are for like the tiniest little freaking thing. I'm gonna take you through everything and be raw and real and honest. So if you wanna know what it's like searching for a freaking apartment in Toronto while you live on your own, expect a rude freaking awakening. Let's go. Okay, so I just looked at the first place and it's in the same building as mine. And honestly, I totally forgot to vlog it, but you didn't miss anything, promise. And also there was a bunch of people's stuff in there, so I didn't really want to film any of their stuff. I don't know, I feel like that's kind of invasion of privacy. But anyways, we're going to the next place and it's like 2 minutes away from my current address. Obviously, I'm not going to tell you guys where it is because that's creepy and I don't want you to stalk me. It's cute, it's more like loft style, so I'll show you when we get in. Definitely looks like a little dungeon, has a weird scent, sure. Okay, so you first walk in and the kitchen obviously is immaculate. I love the finishings, gorgeous new appliances. However, the fridge is a little rickety, so I don't know how I feel about that. The handle is like wobbly, and then when I opened this, the whole do you see that? The whole fridge literally comes out. But I love it. I love how modern everything is. A lot of storage, counter space, all that. Double sink is nice. And then this is the living area. It's beautiful. Obviously, gorgeous windows, floor to ceiling. I don't even know how high these ceilings are, to be honest. Looks like 20 feet, who knows? But this is a beautiful light fixture, gas fireplace, and then obviously you have the stairs with the black rails, which is gorgeous. And this is like a little storage area, and probably put a TV there. I'm assuming they use this as like an entertainment center. Then over here you have this gorgeous detailing over here on the island. And then you have a tiny little powder room, which is gorgeous. Like the finishings are beautiful. Everything about this is super modern. And it's just like a little half bath for your guests, you know? It's cute. Then you go up the stairs. Oh, and I like this too, modern. The view is beautiful too. Definitely lots of natural light. This is just a furnace room. You go up the stairs. This is your view. So they have this full-size washer and dryer, but it's only blocked with a curtain, which isn't really the vibe because that's zero sound protection, you know? But I guess I could put my desk right here, possibly. Could be a thing. But this obviously needs fixing. This looks like a safety hazard. I love the wall detailing, it's beautiful. And then obviously waking up to this is gorgeous. The flooring is really nice. I like the light color, and I like how it's on a diagonal. And this is the closet. Beautiful, spacious walk-in closet. You know, it's nice. And then the bathroom is probably my favorite. So it has a tub, which is nice. And then it also has a waterfall shower head with gorgeous black finishing. And the mirror is stunning. It's one of those ones that you can like, you know, turn it on, it's a vibe. But yeah, lots of storage in here, which is good. But I don't know. Something about it is, it's not, like, what is this? I don't even know what that is. There's something that's, it's not it. Beautiful space, like the natural lighting when I'm filming for you guys is super nice, but it's just gonna be how to take a 2-bed, 2-bath amount of stuff and put it in this space, right? So I guess we'll see. Desk could go there. I think that would be probably my best option. And then bed here or here. And then just wing it from there. I don't know, we'll see. It is very nice and modern, but, oh, and I forgot to show you the entryway. And when you first walk in, there's like a gorgeous little thing, but it's open, so everything has to be clean in my house, I guess. And a little storage up here, which is cute. Not bad overall. So this place is listed for $3,100 a month. And to me, that's very expensive for what it is, I think, but I feel like I'm just gonna have to lower my expectations and expect that it's going to be super expensive everywhere for a very little amount. I think it's, I'm gonna look at the deets for you guys. Oh, 799 square feet. It says 700 to 799 square feet, so like 800. And it does come with parking, and it does have 2 washrooms, so $3,100 for that. That's condo number 1. Well, it's loft style, so you know, take that how you will.
Number 2.
This is right when you come up the stairs. There's this mirror, and in here you have washer and dryer. Like, they're a little bit older washer and dryer, but I mean, whatever washes your clothes, you know. I like the mirror here, it's really cute. And then you go over here and you have a really spacious like bedroom area, and then walk into the washroom. Everything is really dated in here. The light fixtures, everything is dated, but like I could spruce it up and make it look nice. This is the shower, which is not ideal, but I mean, whatever. And then come over here, you have this little area here, which would be a cute little vibe, and 1 closet, which already has pre-organized storage, which is nice. And then obviously this is a queen bed for sure, so really good space in here. And then you go over here, and this is so nice. It's this huge area with all this freaking space. This is, obviously you're looking to the highway and stuff, but I mean, when you look down, it's not as open concept, but it still is. And then you have another closet here, which is really nice. But this is huge, you guys. Like, there's so much room up here. I really like that. Then you go downstairs. Carpeted stairs, carpeted floors up there. The hardwood down here is really nice, and there is a little balcony here, which on the other one there's not. And then you have like a really nice open concept vibe. It's really cute. I like the fireplace over here. Interesting light fixtures for sure. The kitchen is super cute, and I like the stone actually a lot. Same vibe. The fridge is better here. Still not the best, but I mean, it's better. And then you have this little nook over here underneath the stairs, which is cute. You can put like a little bar cart like they have, you know, it's vibes. And then over here, once again, powder room. Not as modern as the last place, but still cute. And then this one actually has a full closet at the front, which I really like. And I don't know what's in this closet, but there's some things in there. And then, yeah, this is just a little walkway area. It's nice. This unit is really spacious. It's really cute. I don't mind it at all. Interesting. This one's under 2 listings. It is either $3,400 or $3,100. Either way, it's expensive, but the space is really nice. And I feel like I could do a lot with it. So let me know what you guys think down below. What should I do? I don't know.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, so you come up the stairs, and this is the bedroom area. Obviously the wall is bright blue, and that's not the vibe, so we would need it painted. I do like the doors. I like this detailing on them. I want the whole place painted white, to be honest. The shower is tragic. The tub is tragic. Everything about this bathroom pretty much is tragic, except for the mirror, vanity, and this whole area is actually really nice. I like the full size, how big this is. I like the storage in here is really nice. Super cute. Window obviously is really beautiful. I like, there's like a little spiral staircase, and then you go in here. This is a closet area, which is not terrible, but I don't like how they have this finishing with this floor. It's not really the vibe. Don't really know what they did with this space. And then the washer and dryers over here, really kind of small, but I mean, it's okay. And then we'll go down. The stairs are actually a little steep when you go down, OMG. But they're so cute, like a little spiral staircase. Then there's actually like an outdoor area, which is beautiful for like my dog and stuff. He would love it. And I love the big window, it's gorgeous. Obviously, once again, the blue wall is not the vibe, but look at this exposed brick, it's gorgeous. And it's just like a little accent wall, I love that. And then the mirror wall is crazy nice. I love this detail. And then a little island, breakfast nook vibe over here. Kitchen is cute. It's not like crazy modern, but like it's nice. And still spacious, and the way that the doors open is nice. And then powder room over here, once again really spacious, big mirror, and there's just like a giant closet over here that's random, so put a bunch of stuff in there. Pretty cool. I do really like the doors though. And then there's another little closet here. Hang up your coat, whatever you gotta do. Super cute vibes. I love the staircase though. This is gorgeous. It's the mirror, the staircase, everything for me, honestly. I love it. This spot is listed at $2,700, which is not bad. It's actually less than what I'm paying right now, which is good. It's a little, it feels like kind of small, but also not at the same time. I don't know how to explain it. I think it's just because the way that they have it like painted and the lights are really dim and all the fixtures are like kind of older. But I mean, other than that, it's actually really cute. So I don't know, I don't mind this one. So I lied, this place is actually $3,000, but there's parking included and everything's included, like your water, your water, your hydro, everything like that. So that's kind of good because if you think like you're gonna spend probably $150 on hydro every month anyway, so it's like, it adds up. I don't know, it's like 7 out of 10. Last one was like a 7.8. One before that was 7.8. First one was like my 5, so we'll see. So it came into the next one. It's in the same building that I live in. However, there's a lot going on in here. It's just, I don't even want to vlog it because there's just a lot of people's stuff. And like, you just come in here and you just get hit in the face with like dirty diaper scent or like baby diaper. I don't know, this place is so like crammed. There's like a watermelon on the counter with a spoon in it. It's just too much. Like, I can't, I'm overwhelmed. I don't know how some people live. I feel bad because like I know they're moving out, but like this is just a lot. It's hard to like a place, you know? But I mean, overall, like the space is good, the layout is good. It's definitely the watermelon on the counter for me. Like, I don't know. And I just don't know. And then there's like, it looks like the floor is molding over there. Did you see that? Yeah. I don't know, guys. I don't even want to show you it. I'm just gonna show you. Hold on. So floor molding, just have like, you know, this is, imagine coming to view a place and you're like, wow, oh my God, a bowl of rice, a dirty frying pan. Everything is just not, it's just not it. Like, this is the +1, just in case you guys wanted to know what a den was in Toronto. It's this nook in the wall. Yeah, it's just like, there's so many things that I feel like would have to be done to like get this place up. Like, there's like, I don't know what this is, guys. I just don't know. And the way that the building is like positioned and the way that this is facing, like I would have to have, like, it's big, like you can see it's actually a really nice space, like it's huge, and like really nice walk-in closet. Like, this is gorgeous bathroom, you know, it's very similar to mine. But this would basically have to, you know, be closed at all times because that's the front of the building, you know. I don't know. Yeah, and this one's $3,300 a month, which is insane to me. I don't know. And we're on a low floor, so like I can see if it was like south facing and it was like a high floor to price it at that. Yeah, but like they even include all utilities, and it's not like nothing's included. Great, cool. Sayonara. Okay, so that was day 1 of condo searching 2.0. I don't know, guys. I am defeated. Everything I saw today was just not the vibe. Like, compared to where I live now, it's just not the vibe. I don't know what to do. Kilo, where are we gonna live, Bubba? Where are we gonna live? We're gonna figure it out. It's gonna be fine. Yeah, I literally brought her into my condo and I was like, okay, come and look and see like where I live, and you can get like kind of a better idea of like what the vibes are, you know? And she's like, okay, yeah, you definitely can't settle. You have a lot of stuff. Like, we need to be able to like put you in a place that's like better suited for you, you know? So anyway, stay tuned for the journey. I will definitely try and vlog. What's on my face? I will definitely try and vlog every single time I go condo hunting. Kilo. Mr. Man! Handsomes! Hey! I'm definitely gonna try and vlog like every time I go and look for a place, you know? Just so I can bring you guys along for the journey, because I feel like this is a little bit more like a personal side. I don't think I'm gonna go with any of the places that I saw today, unfortunately. I'm just gonna keep hunting. Like, I have a month and a half left until I have to be out of here, so hopefully something good will come up. Right, Mr. Man? Hopefully something good will come up. Hi, baby. So yeah, I'll keep you posted and stay tuned. That's it, that's all. I'll see you all in my next video. Peace.